Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha conclave at Janata Maidan in Bhubaneswar this morning. The nation is remembering Lala Lajpat Rai on his 160th birth anniversary today. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal, who is visiting Oman, met with Oman's Minister of Commerce, Industry and Investment Promotion, Uzzas bin Muhammad Al Youssef. India and China have agreed on a slew of measures during the meeting of the Foreign Secretary Vice Minister mechanisms to stabilize and rebuild bilateral ties. Indian Railways has achieved a significant milestone by upgrading over 23,000 track kilometers of the railway network to support train speed up to 130 kilometers per hour.